Hello, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Festus, experienced Swahili teacher for more than 10 years. And today we're going to learn about Swahili greetings, particularly on the time-based greetings. We will stick on the morning greetings. Greeting is a very, very important thing in Swahili. Sometimes it's normal to see greetings taking even 2, 3, 4 to 5 minutes. Greeting is a part of the Swahili culture. And in Swahili, it's not just saying hello. Greetings show the sign of respect and acknowledging each other. When you skip greeting, it shows the sign of disrespect, and it is naturally unacceptable in Swahili. So today we're going to learn the 4 common Swahili greetings, which are Habari za asubuhi, umeamkaje, umelalaje, and Habari za tangu jana. So be attentive up to the end of this lesson, and you are going to understand how to greet somebody in Swahili in the morning. So let's get started. The first common Swahili greetings is Habari za asubuhi. Habari is news. Za is a possessive particle whose English equivalent is of, and asubuhi is morning. So habari asubuhi literally translates to news of morning, which in natural English is how is your morning. So when somebody greets you, habari za asubuhi means how is your morning, and the response is nzuri, safi, or salama. Nzuri is good, safi is clean. In natural English, it can be translated to good or nice, and salama is peacefully. No, that is habari za asubuhi. And another greeting is umeamkaje. Umeamkaje, it is translated to how have you woken up? How have you woken up? O is a subject prefix for the second person singular, which is you. Me is a tense marker for the present perfect, which shows the action which has been completed. And amka is the verb root. Amka is a verb root, which is wake up, and J is an interrogative suffix, which can be translated to how. So umeamkaje means how have you woken up? How have you woken up? The response to these greetings is sijambo, vizuri, and salama. Sijambo, it means I'm fine. Vizuri, it means it's good, and salama, it means peacefully. So that is umeamkaje, which means how have you woken up? Another greeting is umelalaje. Umelalaje means how have you slept? U is a subject prefix for the second person singular, which means you. Me is a tense marker for the present perfect, which shows the action is completed. Lala is a verb root, which means sleep. And J is an interrogative suffix, which means how. So umelalaje means how have you slept? And normally when a person greets you by saying umelalaje, it means he would like to know if your night went on well. So that's the essence of this greeting umelalaje. So when somebody greets you umelalaje, the common response will be vizuri, safi, or salama. Vizuri, it means well. Safi, clean, which means fine, and salama, which means peacefully. But if you have encountered big challenges, like one of the family members has passed away, or maybe somebody is very sick, then the response can be siya vizuri sana, which translates to not very good. The last one but not least is habari za tangu jana, which means how have you been since yesterday? How have you been since yesterday? Habari is news or information. Za is a possessive particle whose English equivalent is of. Tangu is since and jana is yesterday. So habari za tangu jana literally is news of since yesterday. But naturally it is translated to how have you been since yesterday. And the essence of these greetings is when somebody greet you, habari za tangu jana, he would like to know what has been going on your side since yesterday. If it is all well with you or it is otherwise, you want to know. So the response would be nzuri, which is nice, safi, which is clean, and can also be translated to fine, and salama, which is peacefully. So those are the common morning related greetings and their responses. So in a nutshell, we have learned about habari za asubuhi, umeamkaje, umelalaje, and habari za tangu jana. So let me see in the comment section below what is your response to these greetings. First of all, I greet you, habari za asubuhi. So write the response in the comment section below. Another greeting is umelalaje. Umelalaje? Let me see the comments. Umeamkaje? Umeamkaje? Let me see the response in the comment section below. And habari za tangu jana. Habari za tangu jana. Let me see your response in the comment section below. Thanks for watching this lesson up to the end. And for the personalized Swahili lessons, I urge you to send us the email to essenceofswahili@gmail.com. If you want to be taught personally or you are in a group and you want to advance your Swahili skills, please don't hesitate to contact us as soon as possible. If you want to learn more from this channel, don't forget to subscribe to this channel so that you become the first person to access all the resources that will be uploaded to this channel. And for those that are watching from all over the world, I urge you, if you have any question, don't hesitate to contact us at essenceofswahili@gmail.com, or you can use the comment section below to do so. God bless you, and I see you on the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.